All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Ringke. Ringke has come through, as they always do. I appreciate them supporting my channel, what they have done over the, I don't know how many years. But Ringke says, hey, Jay Williams, just wanted to say thanks. As the phone tries to slide in. It's ready, like the phone's right here. It's ready to come in and get suited and booted and get going. So we'll just bring you on in here. Then you're just trying to steal the show. Ringke says, hey, Jay Williams, just wanted to say thanks for taking the time out to review our cases for the new Pixel 10. Look forward to your feedback. Best regards, Ringke. So head over to Ringke.com, or you can hit the links in the description and grab your cases of choice here and the screen protectors and all this. So we're going to start with the screen protector, and then I'll put on the cases. This is for the 10 and the 10 Pro. Obviously, they are the same size. I think we know this. This is the Indigo. And let's go ahead and get the knife. Cut it open here. Careful with knives, children. Careful with knives. And let's go ahead and put that away. Shout out to Zach. I got that clear joint when I came out available. And it's a nice blade. So this is a 2-pack, obviously. I mean, I did pick up another Pixel, folks. It was total spur of the moment. I'm telling you, it really was. I had no intentions on doing it. Then all of a sudden, I was like, I'm gonna buy this Pixel. It's totally what happened. All right, so one of them is, as you know, is already in here. This is how they do it. They put one in, and then you get this cleaning solution here, and here's my spare one. And then here is the other cleaning solution in pack and everything. So let's put this aside. We're gonna get the phone all cleaned up and jazzed up and ready to go. This is what you get when you open this up here. They give you everything you need. They have some of the best. Okay, I always say this, and I know you think I'm joking, but there's some of the best squeegee cards ever. I'm not just saying that. Then you got your dust removal and guide there, and you have the microfiber cleaning cloth. So pretty cool. As always, Ringke. So let's go ahead and get this thing on here. No wobble. You guys are big on that wobble. No wobble, folks. No wobble. So let's get this cleaned up here. They give you everything you need in the packaging here. You don't really need to do anything, really. You don't need to buy anything else. So this is a brand new phone getting suited and booted here. I do have a lot of content I'm going to show you on this phone. I just hate moving my SIM card over to this, which, I've got a phone number I'm going to move it to. I'm going to move it to my second line. I'm not going to move it to my primary line. I need my primary line available at all times to switch to any phone I want so I can continue to give you these great reviews. All right. Let's go here. I'll let it see it so I can just put the thing on it there. This is a simple install, folks. These screen protector installations are very simple now, especially if they have this cage here. This makes it super easy, obviously, but if you don't have the cage, you got to line it up yourself, and it could be a little, that's the limits of some people. So the 2-pack isn't because you got two phones. The 2-pack is if you make a mistake. Some people do. Some people do. I've done it before. I've made mistakes before. So we're going to pop this down on top of here. Like this. Just like that. All right. I think it's on there properly. Yeah, top. And then you're going to pull. Just like that. And then we're going to slide. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we can just pull this off. Like, there's really no way you can mess this up. That is perfect. Like, I didn't think it wouldn't be, but wow. I mean, it's perfect. It's perfect. Now, this is a brand new phone, so I'm going to fire this up. This will be the first boot. Wow, that feedback on there is actually really good. There's not a bubble or anything out of place. First case we're going to look at right now is the Ringke Magnetic Fusion for the 10 and the 10 Pro. This is the clear. We know how this goes. Show off your beautiful device. Show off your beautiful device. Show it off like this. That first boot. We'll let you enjoy that first boot, folks. But here it is right here. This is the case. I do have a MagSafe thing around here somewhere. My desk is, if your desk doesn't have a bunch of phones all over it, you're not a tech reviewer. You're not a phone enthusiast. All right, here we go. So let's pop off this back portion here. Ooh, satisfying. And now we're going to clean off the back of this thing here. Always clean your devices, folks, before putting them inside of the cases. Oh, that's so beautiful. I mean, isn't that lovely? And there it is. Here is the clear. You see the buttons and everything line up here. Travel and feedback. Ooh, nice feedback on there. You have a little bit of a lip around the corners of the device there, like on each one. It's very nice. And the camera is greatly recessed now, and the MagSafe technology, or the Pixel Snap. How embarrassing is that at your event? You're gonna holler out, and you can use your Apple products. Well, let's hope that we're not gonna go there. There we go. Strong Pixel Snap on there. Pixel Snap is looking pretty good. This is the case. Very nice, clean corners, clean size. All the ports and everything line up. Make sure your ports line up. A little bit of a Ringke branding here. You got spot for lanyard, speakers, and everything is there. Next case, booyah. This is the Ringke Fusion X. One of the more popular cases. This is a very popular case. People love this case. I personally like the camel version of this case. Oh my God, the camel version hits so hard. It's amazing. So let's go here. Yeah, gratifying. So I'm gonna pop off this clear case here. You can see how I'm popping that off. I'll put it aside. Shouldn't need to clean your device if you're going from case to case. Wow, this actually looks beautiful, man. This looks beautiful. Let's put it aside. Let it shine. And let's... Oh, that one wasn't as gratifying, but it looks really good. Now, this one, as you can see here, no MagSafe. And it's just... This is straight up grip, grip, grip. This is protection. Coupled with that tempered glass, man, I mean... The form factor of this one is just flawless because of all the dips and curves it has on the edges. It really flows in your hand. And this 10 is like the perfect size, man. It's the perfect size. So one more case, the most famous case of them all, the Onyx from Ringke in black with the magnetic. Now, the Pixel Snap technology, you don't need a case. Let's go here, off. See? Now let's put on the Ringke Onyx. Obviously this one has the, and you can get these without, you can get it without the actual MagSafe on it, but the Pixel Snap. We gotta start saying Pixel Snap. We gotta program ourselves to start saying Pixel Snap. We have to. We gotta do it, folks. We have to do this. Anyway, here is the case here. Again, all these have a nice front lip. This one is the most grippy. The entire case is all grip. In this case, you don't even see the color, actually. It's pretty cool. You see it through the lanyard spot. You see it around the camera, and that's it. So, folks, there you have it, man. Ringke has come through again with a nice setup. The reflections are off the charts in my office. Ringke has come through again with a nice, beautiful setup. As I fumble around here trying to get this to look nice and pretty for you. Nonetheless, the links to these are all in the description. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Get your purchase on because you got your phone now. Go hit them links in the description and get those coupons and discounts wherever's down there. Click it, folks. I see you, man. This is your man. As I close out here as I fumble, this is your man, Jay Will, your favorite creator and content YouTuber for tech. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.